demand namin na country. Okay? So, we are 100% approved visa since unlimited po yung coaching at interview namin. So, bago po isasalang yung applicants namin for the interview, we will be conducting a mock interview and unlimited po ang interview with the employer. Okay? So, all of the interviews is via online lang, as well as the process. Okay? So, ayan po, all of our interns who are currently in Thailand, okay, successful po lahat. Okay? So, recently po, we visited in Thailand with our Managing Director, Sir Joseph Basa. Okay? So, nag-visit po kami last July. Okay? So, this is Miss Leticia, our hotel coordinator. Okay, so, we also have hotel partners in Phuket, such as the Tribe, the Meridian, and the La Flora Hotel. Okay, so, ito po yung mga interns namin. Nag-conduct po kami ng dinners or interns night. And we also have an intern who are currently in Bangkok. Okay, so meron po kami in Thailand. Meron po kami mga interns na who are currently in Bangkok and Phuket. So yung Phuket po is island po siya. While yung Bangkok is main city in Thailand. Okay? So just to inform you po, 90 days, every 90 days po mag-renew ng contract in Thailand. Okay? So these are the interns po. Yung testimonial videos po nila. You may also like and follow our Facebook page po for more updates at nakaposted po yung mga video testimonials ng aming applicants. Okay? And in addition po, for our Thailand, we also have a Dubai program. So, yung Dubai, okay. So, i-discuss ko po yung Dubai. So, ang difference po nila between Thailand, the Dubai po is study and internship po siya. Okay? So here in Dubai, 3 months study and 3 months paid internship. So all of our applicants na ma-enroll sa Dubai, they will have a 3 months study training here inside Queen Elizabeth. Okay? So, Queen Elizabeth po is a luxury vessel docked in Port Rashid in Dubai. Okay, floating hotel po Queen Elizabeth. Okay, so here in Dubai po is more on hospitality, like food and beverages, culinary, and housekeeping. Okay, so during po ng study internship here in Dubai, okay, meron silang free accommodation, free uniform. And after their training for 3 months, proceed na sila for internship and makaka-receive na sila ng stipend ranging po 1,000 up to 1,700 AED. Okay? And the kind of visa na ma-receive po ng applicant namin is student visa, good for 12 months. Okay? So since yung training po inside QE2 is 3 months. So after nung mag-end yung mag-end yung training nila, another 3 months internship outside QE2, like mga establishment hotels. Doon na sila mag-intern. So after that, di ba, meron pang remaining 6 months na student visa, pwede po kayong mag-extend for your internship. Pero don't worry po, sir and ma'am. QE2 staff will provide assistance po after your internship in Dubai. Okay? So these are the benefits po when applying with us. Okay? Such as the legal student visa assistance.